JD 26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we got the Spitfire here. And you just see right here, it has behind the pilot a post. And over here there's another little post where you have to put a string between those two to finish the plane. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? We're going to use some wax paper and some thread and some glue. We laid out some string there, black thread actually, very thin, and we're going to put the glue on it next. I used some Tamiya thin set and put the glue on top of the thread there, and after I did that I stretched it out with my fingers and just let it dry now, okay? And then you're going to peel it off the wax paper and cut it to size and then glue it on your plane. I'll show you that afterwards. Okay, so we're going to peel this off now. Let's see what we got. I'm going to see if it's going to bend at all. It gives it some stiffness to it, the glue. So what we have to do here is we have to wrap it around. It takes some doing. We have to wrap it around the post here. I'm going to do that off camera. So you're not going to be able to see this, but what we did was we hooked it around at the top here and pulled it this way with some tension holding the wing, and we glued it with the Tamiya. So all you got to do is cut the extra off here and cut that off. Very carefully cut this one off. So we have it strung up. You can see that. See how it's strung up like that? Okay, so now it's completed. And the plane is all done. You're going to have to do that on your other scale models, your ships, things like that. The black thread, what you do is, the key is to stretch it around the post and pull it like that. And then add the Tamiya thin set. And sometimes you can tie it on. I tied it on right here. So that's my tip for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Rate, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I hope to see you in the next videos. Please tell your friends about my site. And I also have a cooking channel if you want a little laugh. I do cook very well, but it's also a very funny site, and it's on the to the right on the channel list. See you now.